Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the no makeup. It is one of my favorite makeup because it really gives you the healthy glowy look without using many products. First thing that I did with this makeup is to really hydrate my skin, so I use a normal daily cream before I apply all my products. After the daily cream, I applied the step 1 primer from Makeup Forever, the Nourishing one. I am blending this in all over my face, blending into the cream. After the primer, I choose two foundations for Makeup Forever, Water Blend ones. Are two very light products and I totally loved it. As you see, I am mixing two colors, one light and one darker. The brush 148 from Makeup Forever. I am applying this in a very transparent manner all over my skin. Don't forget, it's very important not to use a lot of product because this will be very visible and we don't want that. We just want to emphasize the features very slightly and to create a very healthy look. In order to fake the concealer, what I am going to do, I am going to try to change the color of my under eyes with the Ultra HD Cream Corrector color from Makeup Forever. It's a mustard color. I am applying this under my eyes and it's suddenly gonna change the color. Applying this color corrector, it will help us not to apply more concealer after. This is a very creamy product, so if I would be to choose between this and concealer, I would definitely go for this. For the blush, I am also going to use a creamy product for Makeup Forever, Color Correcting Cream. I'm going to apply this with the same brush that I applied foundation, very slightly on my cheeks. First on my hand to warm it up a little bit, and then I'm going to apply step by step in a very transparent manner. Again, don't try to build this from sudden, just go step by step with a little bit of product, then a little bit more, so you build it very natural. Concealer. It's the Extreme Camouflage Cream from Makeup Forever. I am going to apply just a tiny bit. I'm going to warm it up with my fingers, with my skin, and then I'm going to apply it under my eye. For the highlighter, I'm also going to use a creamy one from Makeup Forever from Pro Sculpting Palette, 4-in-1 Face Contouring Palette. For my brows, I am going to use AQUA Brow from Makeup Forever. I am putting the product on my skin to warm it up, then blend it into the brush, and then slightly applying on the hairs of my brows. Do not draw an eyebrow because that will look very unnatural. It's better just barely to touch the hairs of the eyebrow. What I decided to do for this look is to apply some false freckles. I love Freckles. The products that I'm using, it's Aqua Seal from Makeup Forever, Aqua Brow, also from Makeup Forever, and a brown color. I mix these three all together and then apply it on my face with a brush. The brush that I'm using is 274 for Makeup Forever. After I did that, I go with the same brush that I apply foundation and press it onto my skin. For the lips, I'm using a red color eyeshadow from Makeup Forever. I am pressing that into my lips and then applying MAC Cosmetics lip gloss. In this way, my lips are going to look very natural and healthy. For the lashes, I'm using Mega Volume Rimmel from L'Oréal Paris. I am first applying into the upper lashes and then blend it with an extra brush. In this way my lashes will look very natural, don't stick between them, and they won't get a lot of product. Remember, the most important thing in the no makeup is not to apply a lot of products, not to draw lines, not to exaggerate with anything. The skin is the most important thing in this makeup, so it has to look very glowy, very healthy, emphasizing the features without applying too much product. Alright, so that was for this makeup. I hope you really liked it. I love it. And see you on the next one. Bye!